So here we have the Jaguar XE on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a four-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space, which can be increased by folding down any of those rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from... Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, you can see the speedometer. The rev counter is on the right-hand side. In the centre, we have the total miles of the car there, 51,790. To the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park currently. And above that, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and the trip computer. So you can change information that's displayed in this menu for lots of different things. All done with the buttons just here. We have our phone controls. We have cruise control, speed limiter, the plus and minus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And into the center, the main touch screen. So on here, you can access any of the options shown. So you've got your radio, of course. At the moment, the volume is turned off. We can turn that on and you'll be able to access your DAB, FM and AM radio. We've got auxiliary input. We've also got Bluetooth audio, which you can access once you paired your phone. We have satellite navigation, really nice clear colour display, as you can see, very easy system to use. And it's from here that you can determine the direction of the air for the air conditioning. It's also where you can turn on your passenger and driver heated seats with 3 different adjustments on each, or you can just turn them straight off from here as well. Below that we have the controls, or the rest of the controls for the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning off and on again from here. Or you can just hit auto. The car will now take full control, which you can hear it doing. You can override that simply by readjusting the fans yourself. You can then put it back on whatever setting you want to. The volume for the stereo is just here. We've got down the bottom here the ability to stop and start the engine from this button. Just make sure the key is in the car with you. The dial, that is your gear selector for the car. You can change the driving setup of the vehicle, so you can put it in eco, normal, dynamic, and then at the other end here you've got rain, ice and snow. We can turn off the stop and start and the traction control. We have an electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders, and a relatively rare option in these cars of a sunroof. So first of all, you have an electric blind that will open up. You can, though, open this front section as a proper sliding sunroof should you wish to do so. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.